this video, we are going to be protecting this BMW M3 Touring with paint protection film. So the customer has opted to get the front end paint protection film package with some optional extras as well. The preparation is now complete, so it's time to apply the paint protection film. We are going to start off with the bonnet, then move on to the side wings. After the bumper, we are going to protect the small trimmings on the car. This will include the front of the roof, the headlights and the mirrors. Now we will put the car onto the ramp and apply the last parts of the film to the underskirts. This M3 Touring is now complete, so let's show you how gorgeous this M3 Touring really is. It's such a beautiful car and it is now protected for 10 plus years. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, then leave us a like. It helps out our channel massively and we appreciate it. And in our next video, we are going to be reviving this Jaguar XKS. So subscribe to stay tuned on how we done that. And until that video, goodbye.